Today, we will see how you can easily connect your Make teams on NC-Scale and make the most of NC-Scale features. On NC-Scale, let's first add a new tool. In the list, select Make. As you can see, you'll need to provide two informations to NC-Scale to connect your Make teams, your API key and your Make domain. To get this information, go to your Make. To get your domain, look for the first part of the URL of the page in your browser. In our case, our domain will be eu1.make.com. Then, to get the API key, let's head to your profile in the API tab. Now let's create a new API key. NC-Scale will need an API key with all reading permissions, so make sure to check all reading permissions. Click on Save, and you'll see your new API key in the list. Make sure to copy this API key, because Make won't ever show you your key ever again for security reasons. Let's head back to NC-Scale now. Paste the API key you just created in the field and select your domain with the selector. Then, select which Make teams you want to connect to NC-Scale. And that's it, your teams are now connected to NC-Scale.